I'm an ordinary man, nothing special, nothing grand. I've had to work for everything I own. I never asked for a lot, I was happy with what I got. Enough to keep my family and my home. Now they say the times are hard, and they've handed me my cards. They say there's not the work to go around. But when that whistle blows, the gates they'll finally close. Tonight they're going to shut this factory down. Then they'll tear it down. I never missed a day, nor went on strike for better pay. For 20 years I served them best I could. But with a handshake and a check, it seems so easy to forget. Loyalty through the bad times and the good. Now the owner says he's sad to see that things have got so bad, but the captains of industry won't let him lose. He still smokes a cigar and he drives a brand new car. Still he takes his family on a cruise. He'll never lose. Seems to me a cruel irony. He's richer now than ever he was before. Now my check is spent and I can't afford the rent. There's one law for the rich, one for the poor. Every day I've tried to salvage some of my pride, to find some work so that I might pay my way. Oh, everywhere I go, the answer's always no. No work for anyone here today. There's no work today. No work today. So condemned I stand, I'm just an ordinary man. By thousands beside me in the queue. Watch my darling wife try to make the best of life. God knows what the kids are going to do. Now we're faced with this human waste. We're a generation cast aside. For as long as I live, oh, I never will forgive. Stripped me of my dignity and my pride. You stripped me bare. You stripped me bare. There's no work today. There's no work today.